Alright, good afternoon, good evening, Sunday. Let's look at some shit stocks. Alright, so right now I'm looking at Amazon on the daily time frame. Let's see we're in that downtrend. And it looks like we just broke out of it. Been retesting that trend line. So we broke out. Now we look like we're in the chop zone. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Damn, it shit's okay. Okay. Yeah, so we broke out of it. We're still in this little downtrend, and then now we're chopping. So now we're just in a chop zone. All we need, what I'm looking for from this, would be very simple. We're in a chop zone, so I'm looking at reclaim of 193 and just bounce up. Maybe take out all this liquidity, or we can reach. I don't know if we'll go back up there, but maybe till here. We'll have to do a little swing trade. So yeah, I mean, if we bounce, my first target would be 215. Actually, no. First target would be 207, then 215, then we let it run to these highs. After we get fuck. Then we let it run to 229, and then up to these highs. Tweaking. Alright, so next stock, let's look at Meta. Kind of the same thing on here too. Downtrend, breakout, and it's all the same shit actually. They all look like they're, all these tech stocks look like they're set up for higher. So swing trades up. Let's see some levels on here. So first target will be 635. And once we push above this, reclaim 613, 635, and then we'll see if we can test 666. Goddamn, and then back to those highs runners. Alright, coin. I was actually looking at puts. So for coin puts, you can see. Hold on, let me go on daily. You can see this zone right here. Looks like it used to be support. Now it's resistance because you broke out of it, and I know we broke below it. So now we're looking at rejection of this zone, these levels. So what I would say is close below. Let's see. First target. Let's go 4 hour. We break below 194, 192. Shoot down to 175. And until then, after that, it's lights out. Lights out up to 130, 140, 130 range, and then break that. Shit, cooked, fried. So next one, the video. Speed running this shit. Oh my god. Fuck. Alright. I have a bunch of levels marked out, but let's just look at the basic. Let's just look at them. It's all the same shit. It looks like we're just set up for higher. The video, since I already have these levels marked out, might as well here. So reclaim 115. If we hold this level, we can get 125. Break above that, 135, and then back those highs. Retest or runners, and then Reddit 4 hour. Same shit. break out of the trend, break out of the downtrend, or we're chopping. Not really. We haven't formed like a tight range yet. We have this big ass wick, which is kind of concerning for the upside. But it looks like I forgot what it's called. Is it called a hammer? Some shit, inverted hammer, whatever. So could be bullish if we close above. This wick is pretty important, but I would keep that marked out, and then close above 128. We can play a bounce off the support right here. Let's bounce all the way up to here, up to 130. 130, and then see if we can reclaim that wick. reclaim that wick, we can go higher. And hit the stock market. Anyways, AMD. Advanced Light Destroyer. We're gonna have to look at this. So, downtrend. We broke out of it already. I feel like this would be a chase, but take it at entry if you retest these levels down here, 197, 96, and then back up to 115 range. Oh shit. Oh yeah. So it looks like we're having some rejection off this previous support, which is now resistance. So reclaim that. We can play a bounce off this if we retest back up to this level. This looks scary as fuck. Alright, yeah, reclaim, retest of this level, back up to this, reclaim this, we can push up higher. Alright. PLTR. Alright, PLTR. PLTR, I'd actually play puts again if we get a retest at this level. This is all technical, by the way. Technical trading. Muse looks like looks pretty good. This week looks pretty good on Muse. But anyways, we got resistance at this level, 190, 124, wicked above, so that's another level right there, 130. We can get a retest of 124. I would take a short swing back down, testing 105. If we don't get that, then short swing from 130. Maybe like bite size here and then add up here. If that gets fucked, then we're fucked. You know. Market be trolling. Yeah, we look at Reddit already? Yeah. BA has amazing news actually. Planes and shit. I'll leave that to Ollie. I already talked about Amazon. Yeah, alright, let's look at SPY and QQQ. Alright, technical wise, I feel like SPY can retest 576. This is for swings. We're at this little resistance level right now, 170. Rejected it, so if we do dump, we can see a bounce off 147, or just play that dump, or you can see if we can reclaim that level, maybe retest this and then a dump. If we reclaim this level, then we have space all the way up to 611 and just highs. If we first target would be 588, then 600. Let's look at QQQ. Probably the same shit. Yeah, same shit. I'm still bearish on these, not gonna lie. Like, but anyways, we're in a little trend here, uptrend, waiting for it to get broke. Need it to break. Reclaim, push higher. Looking for rejection though, because it looks kind of weak. But we'll have to see. We're at this standing support, so there's that. Let's look at Netflix. Netflix has been ripping. What the fuck? Alright. Yeah, Netflix is just, I wouldn't trade it. I mean, it just looks bullish. Broke past every resistance level. I mean, what's there to really say? Maybe get a retest off this zone, or maybe this zone down here. 133 area, and then it bounce back up. Break that. I don't know. Let's see. Break that level. We can play shorts. Puts. Let's look at Tesla and then Apple. Alright, bro. Tesla is just bullish. I think Tesla is bullish because we closed above this little this range resistance, closed above it. So I feel like we have a lot of room up. A lot of room up, actually. Let's just hope Elon says some news that pumps it all the way up, and then long swings can print. Apple. What the fuck? Alright. Apple. Turn off the damn drawings, bro. Alright. Apple looks like, I feel like Apple calls can print because we're at support. You can play it all the way back up to this wick. 213, reclaim that. We got 226, reclaim that, and then just higher up off there. Yeah, so let's look at futures. Same shit on MNQ and MES. Let's look. Technical wise, I'm bearish on QQQ and SPY. Again, I don't trade with the buys because it's day trading. Whatever, anything can happen. But for swings, I think puts, because even just looking at this, uptrend, break, retest, drop. All I did. So yeah, that's it for me. But you know, stock market will do some bullshit. We'll have like a 300-point pump out of nowhere. Trump says some fuck shit off like Coke or something. So we'll have to see. All right, have a good evening. To mention on MNQ and MES, we do have an SMT. I don't trade SMTs, but might be helpful. I just noticed it. We have a lower low here and a higher low here, and equal lows, and that already played up. So it's bullish SMT. So gotta see. So we might get the retest and dump, but I'm still bearish. But then again, no bias. That's just analysis.